Welcome to our channel. If you need to verify your Affirm merchant account to start offering flexible payment options to your customers, follow these detailed step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Go to the Affirm merchant portal at affirm.com/business and log in using the credentials you created when you applied for your merchant account. Step 2. Once logged in, navigate to your account dashboard where you'll find information about your account status and any pending verification requirements. Step 3. Locate the Verification or Account Setup section in your merchant dashboard. Affirm requires verification to comply with financial regulations and ensure merchant authenticity. Step 4. Provide your business information, including your legal business name, business address, tax identification number or EIN, and business type or structure. Step 5. Upload required business documentation, which may include your business license, articles of incorporation, or other proof of business registration documents. Step 6. Enter your business bank account information where you want Affirm to deposit customer payments. This account must be in your business name and match your business documentation. Step 7. Affirm may make small test deposits to your bank account to verify ownership. Check your bank account within 1 to 3 business days and note the deposit amounts. Step 8. Return to the Affirm merchant portal and enter the test deposit amounts to confirm your bank account ownership. Step 9. Submit any additional information requested by Affirm, such as website verification, business references, or processing history from other payment providers. Step 10. Wait for Affirm's verification team to review your application. You'll receive email updates about your verification status and be notified when your account is approved for use. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.